Hello, children. I hope you all are doing well at your places. So, let's begin with the studies. Today is your EST period, and if you all remember, we were doing chapter number 12 rules for safety. Now, children, you all know that safety is very, very important for us. We should follow safety rules at home, at school, as well as on road. So, in the last period, we studied about the safety rule that we should follow at home. First was that do not play with fire. It means that you shouldn't play with fire at any cost. Even if your parents, if any elder is present at home, it is not advisable to play with fire. Fire is not a toy to play with, so fire, you should not play with fire, okay? Next, we must not play with sharp things like knives and scissors. Okay, you all know that knives and scissors are very sharp and pointed. So, they should also not be used as toys to play with. You should not play with knives, you should not play with scissors or any other sharp objects. If you want to sharp your pencil, sharp with only sharpener. You should only use sharpener to sharp your pencil, or you can ask your elders to sharp your pencils. Okay. Next, always sharp your pencils with sharpener and not with knife or blade. Do not put your fingers into an open socket. You know what is open socket? Yes, so do not put your fingers into an open socket, or if any object or any appliance is inserted in that socket, do not touch that appliance or that object with wet hands. Okay. Next, be careful when you play with your pets. When you are playing with your pets, do not pull its tail or do not pull its ear, because they may get angry because of this action. Next, if your pet is having meal, is having food, do not go near your pet. Okay. Know the contact information. You should know the phone number of your parents, of your grandparents, or any other elder of your home. Okay, and you should also know simple contact information like police number or fire brigade number. Okay, these contact information you should memorize. Okay. Do not trust strangers. Children never ever talk to strangers. You know what are strangers? Strangers are people whom you have never met before. You have never seen those people before. You have never met those people before. So do not talk to strangers. The strangers might offer you sometimes they may offer you chocolates or invite you to your home, to their home. So you should refuse them politely and tell your teacher or parent about the person. Okay, do not agree to go anywhere with anyone you do not know. Okay. Next, here comes safety on road. Okay, there are some safety rules that you should follow on road. Okay, now we must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Okay, now children, see, this is the zebra crossing. The white and the black stripes on the road is known as the zebra crossing. So always cross the road at the zebra crossing. See, look at this picture. These children are crossing the road at the zebra crossing. So you should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Okay, and always hold the hands of your parents or of your guardians whenever you cross the road. Okay. And children, Zebra crossing is the one of the simplest safety tips that you can follow. Crossing the road at the zebra crossing is the right way to be followed by every one of us. Okay, so you should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Do not run or play on the road. Children, it is very dangerous to play on the road. Never ever play on road. Or if you are playing near the road, do not try to pick any toy or ball rolling out into the street without any adult supervision. Or if you are not having any adult with you, do not try to pick the ball rolling out in the street. Okay, see, these children are playing on the road, so it is very dangerous to play on the road. Here you can see here what is happening. These two children are playing on the road, and what is happening from behind that boy, a vehicle is coming, a car is coming. So what will happen? These children are playing on the road, they may meet with an accident. So it is not at all advisable to play on the road. Always walk on the footpath and not on the road. You should always walk on the footpath. See, this is the footpath. This is the footpath and this is the road. Footpath is always at the side of the road. So whenever you are walking on, you have to walk, you should always walk on the footpath that is along the road. Never get into a moving bus or get down from a moving bus. See children, what is happening here? This man is coming out or moving out of the moving bus. So it is not at all advisable. It is very dangerous to uh, mm, get into a moving bus or get down from a moving bus. Okay, so you should not at all climb on a moving bus or get down from a moving bus. Okay, never lean or put your hand out of a moving bus, car or a train. Here you can see what is happening. These children are going to school by school bus, and what are they doing? They are taking out their hands and head from the bus, and the bus is moving. So what will happen? The other vehicles that are crossing, they may hit you. So do not lean your hand or look out of the bus when it is moving. Okay, now children, these were some of the safety rules that you should follow at home and on the road. I hope you have carefully seen the video, watched the video, and you have understood the video very properly. I hope you follow all these safety rules. Okay, till then, take care.